Take the fan off to weld it. So that then sits in, there's the plate, the equivalent to in a rocket stove, that you'd let the air under, and you'd have got an extra bit of forced air because it needs that extra air. That's easy enough to make. What I've done with this one, so this goes up and inside the stove, and it's an experiment. We've got holes at the bottom which blow air into the charcoal, into the wood gas that's coming through. This is in the elbow, the combustion elbow. So the wood gas, as it's coming through, instantly mixes with air, and that makes it much more flammable. You're mixing as quick as you can. I actually took the pipe going up, just welded the cap on, and just had holes so it also sprays air, not at the back. That's on the back of the combustion elbow at the front, so it's blowing air into the flame. That's blowing air into the gas before it's caught. We now have as much combustion, so that's primary air intake, and that's secondary. And again, I've put a slot there to blow air into the flame, but not that side, it's just me playing, and it actually works. We lit it last night and it shows. This blows the air more on one side, and it gets that spiral going. If you've got a spiral, then you're pushing the heat against the combustion elbow, you're holding the heat in for longer, obviously if it's going straight up, whereas if it's travelling a greater distance inside, so it's held for longer. And I like spirals.
Just one thing, like, from that, I was thinking, the way I saw it, that it only enters the combustion chamber here.
Depends how long the...
Are you saying all of this is inside the combustion chamber as well?
Yeah. So this simply goes in here.
Okay. Because the other one goes completely underneath it and then back in. That's the difference.
But take a shot of it in place. Can you see it from there?
Yeah. How come that one goes underneath it and then enters in?
It makes no difference because I'd retrofitted it and I hadn't thought of this. This is better shape.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So and that just fits in nice and easy.
Nicely. That's pushing against the back wall, and it's that simple.
Yeah.
You have an extra turbo air boost just to give it that extra shot of air, so you don't have the orange high carbon flame anymore. And that way, the unburnt particles. Be back here.
Yep.
It generates noticeably a lot more heat.
Stay on whilst it was light. I didn't realise you could.
Because the unburnt soot particles you're now burning, you get that much extra heat, so you get much quicker, faster, more effective biochar production. It really shows less. You don't want the carbon in the sky. You want extra heat. Shall I go and get a cut open cylinder and bring one over as well? I'll show you. I may as well. You can see it.
Yeah, we've got timers of